Hello there, everyone. Welcome. It's story time. Are you excited? Yes, I am. Story time, story time, story time. Woo! Story time, story time, story time, story time. When my teacher begins to read, I don't talk or play at all. Oh, I love to listen when it's story time. Story time, story time, story time, story time, story time, story time. It's story time, boys and girls. And this story is entitled, How Do Plants Grow? And it's written by Julie Lundgren. All right, so how do plants grow? Almost all plants need the sun to grow. Look at that. Plants need sunlight. Plants need sunlight to grow. All right, so the plants need the sun to grow. Almost all plants. Most plants also need water and a good soil. So most plants need water and good soil. Look at these plants in the water. They have good soil there. Oh, yes. Have you ever planted any seed and watched it grow? Yeah, I did. Plants have many parts that help them to get what they need to grow. Wow. And we were talking about the parts of the plant. And so we are going to touch and identify the different parts of the plant. Here we have the roots. Look at the roots. Yes, right here we have the stem. Here's a fruit on the plant, and we have the leaves. Here are the flowers. Look at them. Yes. So we have the roots, the stem, the fruits here, the flowers, and the leaves. Very good. Do you know the parts of the plant? The parts of the plant. The parts of the plant. Do you know the parts of the plant? Oh, yes, I know the parts of the plant. All right, let us skip over. Most plants have roots. Yes. Look at this one. Look at the roots. Oh, yes, there the roots are. Here they are at the bottom, many roots. These are called fibrous roots because they're small. Look at them. They run all over. All right, look at this plant. Can you identify the parts of the plant? You have the roots, the stem, and the leaves here. All right, let us turn over the page. Most plants have stems. Oh, yes. Look at the stem there. What else do you see on this plant? The flower. Wow, look at the flower. Wow. And here we have the stem, the long part here. And here are the leaves. All right, let's just turn the page over. Roots and stem carry water from the soil to the plant. Yes. So the roots take the water up to the stem, then to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Look at these. These are carrots. The carrots are in the soil, and look at that. Yes. Do you know the parts of the plant? Most plants have leaves. Look at this. Look at the leaves. Yes. Wow. I love to plant. Leaves collect sunlight. Yes, look at that. The sun is shining. The leaves collect the energy from the sunlight. And that's how green plant makes food. Green plant makes food, right? All right, we turn over. Green plants change sunlight, air, and water into food. Yes. So that's why the plant needs sunlight, air, and water so that they can grow and make food through a wonderful process. All right, plants use the food they make to live and grow. So plants use the food they make to live and grow. Yes, and so that you and I can eat foods, right? Yes, so we can take apple from the tree or banana. Yes, so we have to take care of our plants. Question and answers time. Let us show what you know. Can you name the parts of the plant? Send in your answers. What do the parts do? So tell me what the roots does, what the leaf does, what the stem does. What part do they play? How important are they? So how is the sun important to the plants? So from the story, you're going to send in your answers. Goodbye, boys and girls. And what is the title of the story again? How do plants grow?